The Lesser Florican, the likh or Kharmore, is an eye-catching bird that belongs to the bustard family, a family of birds known for its elaborate courtship displays. These birds were once widespread and common around India. Nowadays, as its habitat has reduced and been degraded, its population has been in rapid decline. Floricans see themselves forced to breed in restricted regions of the subcontinent. Male Floricans can be seen jumping above the level of the crops as they perform their complex breeding display. Lesser Floricans are native to the Indian subcontinent and known to be the only members of the genus Sypheotides. Their habitat suffered severe degradation in the 90s when many agricultural fields and grasslands were developed as industrial areas. On top of that, their population is highly threatened by poaching and hunting, which made this species qualify as endangered. The Lesser Florican is a monsoon visitor to central and southern Rajasthan, inhabiting the districts of Nagaur, Ajmer, Tonk, Bhilwara and Chittorgarh. Savai Madhopur district is also considered to be an ideal habitat since this species is mostly found in dry grasslands with scattered bushes. Vegetation cover is essential for this bird, especially during the breeding season. Surprisingly, the increase of cultivation of moong dal, a locally grown pulse crop, has provided the Lesser Florican with excellent monsoon time cover. Due to this species' needs, native grasslands need to be urgently protected and local communities engaged in conservation schemes. Instead of poaching these birds, we need to encourage local communities to gain from tourist spending as a result of birding tours organized to be able to see the Lesser Florican.